Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a text with image effect in Affinity, step by step. It's super simple and perfect for beginners. First, go up to the File menu and click Open. Now choose the image you want to use as your background. Once it's open, press Ctrl and 0. That'll fit the image perfectly to your screen so you can see the whole thing clearly. Next, grab the Artistic Text tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on your image and type your word. Pick a bold, thick font so the image shows nicely inside the letters, and increase the font size until it fills the area just the way you like. Now go to the Layers panel on the right side. You'll notice two layers, your image at the bottom and your text layer on top. Right-click the text layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Instantly, your image appears inside the text. Super cool, right? You can click and drag the text layer to move the letters around, or select the background layer to reposition the image if needed. To add a background color or gradient, create a new pixel layer. It'll appear above your text, so drag it below the text layer. Now select the Fill tool, shortcut key G. In the context bar, choose a radial fill or linear fill. Then pick your favorite colors using the little color circles. Play around with it until it looks perfect. And that's it! You just made a clean, professional image text effect in Affinity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy design tutorials.